Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to report about Unit 9 Monopolistic Competition. Objectives. At the end of the unit, the students must have first learned the characteristics of monopolistic competition, second, learn the benefits of a product variety, and last, learn the characteristics of oligopoly and duopoly. Monopolistic competition, an industry in which many firms offer products or services that are similar but not perfect substitutes. The statement refers to a market structure known as monopolistic competition. In this type of market, there are many firms that sell products or services that are closely related but not identical, meaning they are similar but not perfect substitutes. Each firm has a small degree of market power, which allows it to slightly influence the price of its own product without losing all of its customers. For example, the fast food industry is a perfect illustration of monopolistic competition. There are many fast food restaurants like McDonald's, Jollibee, and Burger King, all selling similar products like burgers, fries, soft drinks, and etc. However, each has its own branding, recipes, and marketing strategies, making their offerings similar but not perfect substitutes. Customer might prefer one over the other based on taste, price, location, or brand loyalty, which allows each restaurant to have a certain degree of influence over its own prices.
Characteristic of monopolistic competition. Number one is a low barrier to entry. One firm does not monopolize the market, and multiple companies can enter the market and all can compete for a market share. Companies do not need to consider how their decision influence competitors, so each firm can operate without fear of rising competitions. Low barrier to entry, it is an organization that may not need to hire many employees or even to pay and make or uh, store a product. The second one is the product differentiation. Competing companies differentiate their similar products with distinct marketing strategies, brand names, and different quality levels. Product differentiation, it is a character that make your product or services outstanding to your target audience. The third one is the pricing. Companies in monopolistic competition act as a price makers and set prices for goods and services. Firm in monopolistic competition can raise or lower prices without inciting a price war, often found in oligopolies. Pricing, it is a process of fixing the value that the manufacturer will receive an exchange of goods and services. Demand elasticity. Demand is a high elastic in monopolistic competition and very responsive to price. Consumers will change from one brand name to another for item like laundry, detergent, based solely on price increases. Demand elasticity measures how demand responds to the change of price and income.
Oligopoly, a market structure with a small number of firms, none of which can keep the others from having significant influence. A market structure characterized by a small number of firms, with none of them being able to prevent the others from having significant influence. In an oligopoly, each firm is aware of the actions of the others, which means that decisions made by one firm directly influence and are influenced by the decisions of its rivals. For instance, the global smartphone market is an example of an oligopoly, with major players like Apple, Samsung, and Huawei. These companies have significant influence over the market, but none of them can dominate the market to the extent that they can ignore the actions and reactions of the others. If Apple, for example, decides to lower its prices, Samsung and Huawei are likely to follow suit to remain competitive. Similarly, if Samsung introduces a new innovative feature, Apple and Huawei may respond by upgrading their own models. Hence, they are interdependent and significantly influence each other.
The characteristic of oligopoly. First, we have a high barriers to entry, interdependence of firms, maximize revenues, differentiated products, and price-making power.
So duopoly, when two or more companies own all or nearly all of the market for a given product or service. So it is a situation where there are two companies or firms in a particular market and they basically control the market. They have a lot of influence because they are the main players, kind like two big players in a game.
Characteristic of duopoly. The characteristics of duopolies are important because they shape the dynamics and outcomes within these markets in several ways. The first characteristic is the two firms having strategic interdependence in a duopoly. Two firms dominate a particular market. Strategic interdependence refers to the fact nga og moves or actions and decisions sa usa ka market is one firm directly affect the performance and strategy of other, so that this strategic interdependence in a duopoly leads to complex decision making process as each firm tries to anticipate and react to the actions of its competitor to achieve its own objectives. The second is the high amount of differentiations. So sa katas-on sa ilang pagkalahi sa usag-usa, the products or services that are offered by each firms are distinct from each other. High differentiation in duopoly leads to dynamic market environment characterized by diverse product offerings, brand competitions, and strategies focused on differentiations rather solely on pricing. Next characteristics is economies of scale. The economies of scale refer to the cost advantages that firm can achieve when it produce a larger scale. This means that as productions increases, the average cost per unit decreases. So both firms might strive to achieve the economies of scale to lower their costs and gain a competitive edge over the other. This could lead to a situation where both firms engage in aggressive expansions effort to benefit from economies of scale, potentially resulting in increased market dominance and barriers to entry for smaller competitors. The fourth is then one characteristic is high level of market concentration, meaning that the market is dominated by the two main firms. These firms have significant control over pricing, mix, productions, and other market dynamics due to their large market shares. This high level of concentration can lead to intense competition between the two firms as they vie for dominance, often resulting in strategic maneuvers such as price wars, collusions, or differentiation strategies to maintain or increase their market shares. The fifth and the last characteristics is the market having high barriers to entry. In high barriers to entry, it means difficult for new firms to enter the market and compete with the existing dominant players. These barriers could include the factors like high startup costs, strong brand loyalty among consumers, patience or proprietary technology held by existing firms, or government regulation favoring incumbents. As a result, the two firms in the duopoly can maintain their market power more easily. This characteristic made duopolies distinct from other market structures and have significant implications for competition, pricing, and market outcomes.
Benefits of product variety. The benefits of offering product variety. It gives consumers more options to choose from and increases the likelihood of finding something that meets their specific needs and preferences. This can lead to increased customer satisfactions and loyalty. So, ang benefits of product variety day is nag-offer siya og nagkalain-lain nga options of products para sa needs and preferences sa mga customers. And also ang benefits of products variety is nag-offer pud siya og mga products nga mo align sa customers budget. For example, sa mga pagkaon o sa mga pag-adlaw-adlaw nga mga panginahanglan. So, kay nag-offer man siya og nagkalain-lain nga mga products, ang customers is allowed nga mo pili og unsa ilang gusto para sila nga masatisfy. So, kung masatisfy na sila is, magbalik-balik na sila palit and musod na diri ang customer satisfactions and loyalty.